knowledge has been floated, and the subject from the wretched barons' days. Poor in leaven and malice, rich and praised, high swollen in pride and valor, brought low and cowed, friends of wrong and enemies of God, all proud. One speaks ill of them, but it is truth I say, who calls them beggars of others' wealth for gain, and hoarders up of another's goods always, and robbers on another's road and lane. Trouble of the good in shelter, thieves train hard to do wrong, and in charity cold as stone, rich in robbing and in giving beggars loan. Their sorrow is my pleasure and my cheer, and their weeping is my laughter and my joy, for their will pleases me as much I fear as the will of a wolf or of a wild she-cat's ploy. For if you read among the ancient books, ahoy, you will find there are wolves so straight and just a line that they have surpassed many a false baron's design. From them no layman walks secure, no clerk, nor monk of black, nor white, nor gray's attire for fine eating, nor fine sleeping leaves no mark. The host nor the house are safe from the mire. If there are clothes or spits or stakes or ire for at rising, they leave with all the gear they have sought, what never a young wolf nor a wild ram ever wrought. Well, I know that land nor worldly gear does not put its owner into paradise's light, and great treasure nor great power far and near does not save the rich man nor the holy in God's sight. For the advancement here is hindrance in yon height, when the soul follows there the narrow pathways pressed, and the body is here the food of worms unblessed. Now they give man if I'm doing wrong, you do not cease. You will not take so much of gifts nor of spoils at feast, that you go not to evil, however you delay, at least.